Hello Akash. Based on your diabetes diagnosis, here are some tips to manage it effectively. Focus on a healthy diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Stay active with regular exercise like walking or yoga to keep your blood sugar in check. Managing stress is also important. Try meditation or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. Remember, I'm here to support you every step of the way. Take care, and I'll see you at your next appointment.
Hello Akash, I'm a representative from Arogya Assist. We're calling you today regarding your upcoming appointment at Dr. Lal Path Labs in Bellandur.
Oh, yes, I remember. Can we please reschedule this appointment? I have a business meeting on that day.
You have available slots on the 23rd and 24th of January. Would you like to reschedule for either of those days, Akash?
Can we please do Jan 26 instead?
One moment please. I'll update the appointment. Let me just confirm with our team and you'll be set for January 26th at Dr. Lal Path Labs in Bellandur.
Sure, that works. Also, can we update the time slot to 4 p.m.?
Checking. I've updated the appointment for January 26th at 4 p.m. at Dr. Lal Path Labs in Bellandur. Anything else I can help you with today, Akash?
I wanted to know if there are any prerequisites that I need to take care of before the tests.
Before your tests, please ensure you had an overnight fast for blood sugar tests, for the urine routine test, and drink the required amount of water recommended by the lab to your diabetes appointments.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you, Akash. Is there anything else I can help you with before I wrap up?
No, that should be enough. Thank you.
Have a great day, and we look forward to seeing you on the 26th.